This is how my video ought to be before they decided not to give me lines. Nigeria, we can do better. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leandah and I created this simple Halloween cat face makeup and I'm really excited to show you guys how I created this. Hey guys, so for today's palette we'll be using the Morphe 35 OM palette. This palette, let me show you how it looks like. This one, if you've watched any of my videos, you know that this palette has suffered and has seen better days. Ooh. So I'm seeing this woman leaving with her boxes and I'm wondering where she's going to because there's no bus literally on the road. See, I'm doing smart with always people. I wonder where she's going to, but God keep her safe with everything that's going on in Nigeria right now. Back to business. I'm using this palette for this look today, so let's get on with it. Get on with it. So I'm going to prime my face with this Juvias Fleece concealer. I'm going to use it as my base. Make sure to shake it before you use it. Shake it before you use it. And then I'm going in with a really dry beauty blender and I'm patting it into my eye like this. I hope you all can see me from there, but let me zoom in closer just in case. I'm going in with this palette right now and I'm going to take this shade right here. This shade right here, and I'm just going to pack that at the corner of my eyes. And I'm going to go into my crease like so. Like this, so just pack it all like this. Then I'm going in with this fluffy brush and my Milani compact powder and I'm going to use that to blend my crease area. So after blending, I'm going in with my good old Vaseline to cut my crease. Next, I'm going to use my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and I'm going to use that to make my crease more obvious. So I'm going to take the brush I used initially and I'm just going to blend it in like that. Taking the other brush from BH Cosmetics, I'm just going to use that smoothie. And after that, I'm going to make sure this has a really perfect base. If not, if your base is really crusty and stuff, your eyeshadow is going to crack. That one is for sure. So now I'm really subtle. I'm going to go in with my Zaron compact powder, this white powder here, and I'm going to use that to set my NYX Jumbo Pencil. Make sure you bring a mirror close to your eyes, like really close to your eyes. If you want to enter the mirror, you can enter the mirror. Just make sure you bring a mirror really close to your eyes so you can see what you're doing. I feel the need to zoom you all really close because I don't think you guys can see, so I'm going to do that right now. Okay, I feel this is enough, but it's too dark. Next, I'm going to take this dual lash glue and this random glitter and I'm going to pack that on my eyelid. Just watch and see how I do it. I'm taking a tiny angle brush. So I'm going to take the glitters now. And now I'm going to go in with this felt tip liner by Glance, like stripes on my eye area.
At this point, guys, the felt tip liner wasn't giving me what I wanted, so I switched to Zaron Cosmetics liquid liner.
Alright guys, this is the eye look. I don't know, but I think I pulled it off, like come on. And if I haven't said it before, this look is inspired by Beats by Deb on Instagram. Shout out to her. She is like the most hardworking, one of the most hardworking human beings I have come across on the gram. Okay, so this look is inspired by her, so shout out to you, Beats by Deb, for giving me the inspiration I need for this video. But yeah, let me keep it pushing. So for the face, as usual, you know how we roll. I'm going in with the TM Essentials moisturizer and primer, and I'm going to use that to moisturize and prime my face. Like I said earlier, I'm really sorry about the lighting, but it's out of my control. If I decide to turn on the gen, noise is going to be everywhere. So that is why I am just using natural light, and now I think it's like really like pale white. I don't know, but this is what I am dealing with right now, and I just really wanted to film this. But anyway, this might make it up to YouTube. If it doesn't, you'll just see pictures on Instagram. So guys, this is the beauty look, the beauty side of this look. So I just want to take pictures with this look, and then we can dive into the Halloween look itself. So just hold on, I'm just going to show you all this look. It's really fine. So guys, the light is back on, and that is why you're seeing a really very clean video. This is how my video ought to be before they decided not to give me light. Nigeria, we can do better. So now I'm just going to take off my lipstick or my lip gloss or whatever I have on my lips right now, and we're going to go ahead and finish up our Halloween look. Fingers crossed, I've never done this before, but we move. Alright guys, so I've gone ahead and cleaned my lipstick, so now it's time for us to create the cute little cat nose. For that, I'll be using my Zaron Cosmetics liquid liner. So guys, this is how it's looking right now. So I'm going to drag a line down to my lip like this. And now I'm just going to apply 3 dots. And now I'm just going to draw the whiskers. So guys, I went ahead and I did this, but let me do it again for those of, so because my camera went, it's also just recording, like it's really annoying. So I just drew this. Now I've made a mistake, but anyways, I just did this with the liner, and that was it. Like, come through. Like, I've not done this before, and it's really interesting. Next, I'm going with my Zaron Cosmetic Gel Liner in Jazz. It's a black gel liner. It's called Jazz, and I'm going to use that for my lipstick, my upper lips. Like this. Guys, I feel so proud of myself because I haven't done anything like this before in my life, so I'm very proud. Let me know what you think about this look. But before I end this video, I'm going to go in with my MAC Cosmetics Ruby Woo lipstick, and I'm going to use that on the bottom of my lips. Yes guys, and this is it. I came through, and this is my Halloween, my simple cat Halloween look. Do you like it? What do you guys think about this look? Because I'm pretty excited. I cannot wait to take pictures. Okay, so what do you guys think about this look? Tell me down in the comment section, and please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up because I have never even practiced, or I haven't even done anything like this before. So please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, like my video, share with your friends, and recreate. This is a really popular Halloween look, so let me know what you all think. Recreate, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Even though this video was a real struggle, but anyway, I came through and it came out nice, even though I made some mistake here. But how many whiskers, or what is this? How many does a cat have? Is it 3 or 4? I don't know. I don't like cats, sorry. But anyways, I created this look for you guys, for you to watch, for you to learn. Very simple and easy makeup look.